Warmth, style and charm is the best way to describe this rock-solid and well-maintained ranch home. Enjoy the open floor plan between the large eat-in kitchen with appliances, and the living room that boasts new hickory floors and a stately brick fireplace. Sliders lead from the kitchen to a large enclosed screened-in porch with vaulted ceiling, skylight and ceiling fan, perfect for those spring and summer days that are right around the corner. Gleaming hickory in all of the bedrooms too. A generously sized Jack and Jill full bath with granite counter and large linen closet complete the main living area. You'll love the versatility and convenience of the huge mostly finished basement with bar setup and storage closet. The washer and dryer are included and are located near the doorway that leads to the one-car garage. A truly wonderful large lot with a